Good morning, good afternoon, guys. It's 820. What's up, you guys? It's GoDogs101, which could be up to anything, fuck, fresh, anything new, anything exciting. Well, right now, you guys, I'm not 100% feeling 100% well. But it's coming and going. 1 minute's going, 1 minute's coming. But it's gonna be fun. And really, I'm tired. I'm trying, I'm not 100% feeling 100%, but that's okay, you guys. I still want to keep you guys posted, keep you guys updated what's going on and then stuff in my life. So I will talk to you guys when we are gonna try to make a video today if we can. I don't know, possibly I can. I'm gonna try. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm making the video.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's Go Dogs for One.
So right now, you guys, I just dyed the colors now of the cheese. So that's gonna be what's gonna be coming up soon. So it's gonna be exciting, you guys. It's gonna be really fun. I just got done the videos. Just going down my list of stuff that I'm gonna see what's the next step. So that's what we are doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done.
Right now, you guys, I'm just getting ready for the video. Right now, you guys, we are adding something really cool to the video. So I'm just recording videos. Heads up, what's the video gonna be about? But I can't let you guys what the video is gonna be about, because then you guys wouldn't. Actually, I can tell you guys, it is sandwich. I'm making some sandwiches. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done making sandwiches. Yeah, done making oh gosh, dang it, I dropped some fish. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So right now, you guys, oh, the cord's in the way, kind of, but that's okay, you guys. You guys don't really need to see that much, but I'm going to try to get you guys out of the way so you guys can see what I'm doing. So right now, you guys, I am making grilled cheese sandwich. It's gonna be called really gonna be cool once it's done. If you guys remember the rainbow one that we did before, this is the exact same thing. So, but a little bit different because I added more food coloring and them stuff to make it cool. I need to move you over a little bit. There you go. There you go. Get the blue. That's a lot of blue. But you guys requested us so many times, so I'm going to do it. So I'll show you guys when I'm done making the video. Making the sandwich. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Lots of cheese on this one, you guys. Lots of cheese. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. Look at that, you guys. It looks so good, you guys. I'm gonna end today's video, you guys. Yes, I'm gonna end today's video, you guys. I was not 100% feeling well this morning or this afternoon, but I'm feeling a lot much better, you guys. I'm trying to recuperate a lot before this weekend, because this weekend's gonna be so much fun. My dad and me and my cousin, probably, maybe, give or take, are gonna be gone. So we are gonna be gone for. So I'm gonna upload the video tomorrow, and then I won't be talking to you guys for Saturday, Sunday, Monday. There will be a video, so you guys can see what we did over the weekend. So I'll talk to you guys then. So let's go, Dogs for One. Sign out. Peace out, guys, and get back in your new future. Have a good day. Bye.